let me show you how to check people that are stalking you on WhatsApp, those that view your WhatsApp status anonymously. Now, normally if you want to check people WhatsApp status, if you want to know people are viewing your WhatsApp status, your read receipt has to be on this way, right? That has to be on this way, like this. That has to be on this way. But in the case whereby you off it, you can't see people status without them knowing. So let's say for instance someone is talking on WhatsApp and you want to know if they are really to know the particular person that is talking you or checking your WhatsApp status without you knowing. All you need to do is to do something like this. Look at this right now. Although other people have never checked, but look at this. Over, I think one person have already seen the status. Person has seen the status here. So if there is also more, I'll add it to the video as time goes on. So how did I achieve this? But if you check others, see I can't see because I post others the right way. So let me show you how I will do that. So all you need to do as I watching this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates like this. So all you need to do is to go to, you want to check if someone is stalking you, maybe your ex, your boss, or whatever reason. Let me use this one. Yes, this kind of image. Make it something square like this. Then choose a reaction. Choose any reaction. Drag it. This is a reaction here. Drag it to any part of the image. Drag it. When you drag it, then you choose a black cover from your emoji. This black cover. Not this one. Yeah, this particular one. You expand it. Let me put this one here at the right side of the image. Then this one, you expand it this way. Expand it this way. So once you expand it, you can post it. So that way, if someone come to view that particular post, that reaction shows people that sees it first. So that way it can bring out your stalker. So in the next, I will share a screenshot if someone have seen that particular status as time goes on. See, can't see views because I disabled read receipt in settings, account and privacy. But see, I've seen this. So let's wait in the next 5 minutes or when people have seen it. Especially those that have off their read receipt. But it works for most settings on Android, no matter whatever WhatsApp the person is using. So hang on for when you see the people who are stalking me on WhatsApp. You can try the settings. So for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.